Hello readers, welcome back to my channel Listen Daily with Poonam. Let's start our video with our new story, The Magical Tree. And you guys practice with me to improve your pronunciation skill. अगर आप भी सही से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं तो डेली मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, there were two brothers who lived at forest age. Older brother was arrogant and was always unkind and rude to his younger brother. Whereas younger brother was kind and even if older brother disrespected him, treated him bad, took his things and food, he never did anything wrong to him. He always cared for his older brother. Both brothers used to go into forest in search of firewood to sell in market. One day, older brother alone went deep into forest. As he walked through forest, he chopped off branch of every tree until he came upon a special tree. As he was about to cut branch of tree with axe, a voice came from tree and asked him to stop. Tree said, "Oh kind sir, please spare my branches. I am a magical tree. If you spare me, I will provide you with golden apples." He agreed. Tree dropped some golden apples for him, but he was disappointed and wanted to have many more apples. Overcome by greed, he threatened Magical Tree that if it didn't provide him with more apples, then he will cut the entire tree. This time, instead of giving more apples, Tree showered him with hundreds of tiny needles. He fell to ground crying in pain as sun began to set. In meantime, younger brother got worried when his older brother didn't return in evening. He went into forest to search for his older brother. He searched for him until he found him near trunk of tree, lying in pain with hundreds of needles stuck on his body. Seeing this, younger brother rushed to him and started to painstakingly remove each needle with love. Once needles were out, older brother thanked his younger brother for his help and realized that how badly he treated his younger brother. He instantly apologized to his younger brother and promised that he would never mistreat him. He also apologized to Magical Tree for his behavior. Seeing this change of heart in older brother, Magical Tree gifted them with all the golden apples they could need. Moral of the story is, it's important to be kind as it will always be rewarded. Thank you guys. सो दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और आगे और भी ऐसे वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.